Welcome to Concepts. Chapter 1 Percentage, Section number 6 Other Word Problems. Other word problems based on percentage topic liya kahin home kine. Number 1 pass mark and full mark problems. Number 2 number of failed and passed students problem. Number 3 income, expenditure and savings. Number 4 miscellaneous problems. Pass mark and full mark problem ane hite. Hita bang problem ahin quantity to moment. Mark scored, pass mark, marks required to pass in case of fail. Ahila marks above pass mark in case of pass. Marks required to pass to abela means shortest teasing utin. Marks above pass mark to excess teasing ute. Relationship B student khacha fail part le pass mark equal to mark scored plus shortest mark. A pass part le pass mark equal to mark scored minus excess mark. Hiti ahi pass mark dungju ya e bola lehin equation convert anume. For example, exam ahin student A hin 50 marks amuin, student B hin 30 marks amue. Pass mark hi 35 ahile, hi chapa he pass. Student B chu he fail. In this case, excess mark is at the 50 minus 35 ibola he get 15 marks above pass mark mo chana. Chapa he failed so he got only 30. So a pass adinga mark is at kivad amiti ahile 35 minus 30 equal to 5. Okay. Ahile to ahi in this case 35 iti equal to langkaraga sole 50 minus 15. Okay, so this is pass mark. Pass mark iti mark scored minus excess mark ita chanale. In this case 35 to pass mark chi mark scored hilawang na. Chi langkaraga sole 35 equal to 30 plus 5. So pass mark equal to mark scored plus shortest. So iti ay pass mark hi langkara ko ya, langkara mark score to adang sisi ko ya hile equation convert anume. Calculation is always done on actual marks. Marks scored and pass mark if given in percentage convert the same to actual marks. Ipiti convert diham anabe. In an exam, the marks scored by Ram is 45%. If the total marks is 40, find the marks scored by Ram. Ram kiti a mark scored to 45% he teacher. Ahile actual mark a convert into full mark a multiply ke bol teacher. So this will be 45 divided by 100 into 40. Cancel the ball this. Cancel the ball this will be 9, this will be 2. Cancel the ball he get 18 marks. For example, full mark ki het poi. Full mark ki het lo bangay chun person into full mark to FET like sizing na. Likewise, pass mark is 30%. Pass mark to a percentage 30%. Actual mark are converted bowling chun into full mark multiply ball like 50. So cancel the ball 2, cancel the ball 15. Ahile full mark ki het lawa hile pass mark to 30% to full mark FET like they multiply ke ball ji calculation ke ball na jau si ahi a bonds ke ya actual mark a ki ball hintin convert hai mil loading khaile an ki pantaute. %% are the passing mark. A student gets 250 marks yet fails by 38 marks. What is the maximum marks? Okay, in this case, student pass a fail tie. A fail ahile equation to pass mark equal to mark scored plus shortest marks required iti uchana. Pass mark is at 40%. A percentage such 40% actual mark divided by 10 into full mark, which we don't know f teasing taute. Question nung zo ya he get 250 marks ati aile mark score to 250 plus shortest is that a fail by 38 marks. Okay, so cancel ka bole 2 by 5, so 2f divided by 5 equal to langkadahi 288, cancel ka bola hile 144, so f equal to multiply ka bole 22 in hand 22 2 in hand 720 is the full mark. This is CGL Tier 2 2017. In an exam of 300 marks, a student gets 75 marks. If she had scored 6 more marks, she would have attained passing percentage. What is the passing percentage? Okay, in this case, pass digit she failed. So formula will be pass mark equal to marks scored plus marks required. Let's call it shortest. In this case, we don't know the pass mark. Marks scored is at 75 amu, but a pass nothing mark group kibat. So this will be in that 81. Pass mark 81 hitai. A percentage I hold in teacher question. Percentage I hold ding a pass mark teacher full mark to divided by into 100%. So percentage hold on a step neum. Step number 1, fraction form divided by total. Step number 2 into 100%. So this cancel ka bola this will be 2 6 21 27% is the pass mark. Tier 2 2017. A candidate who gets 20% marks in an examination fails by 30 marks, but another candidate who gets 32% get 42 marks more than the pass mark. Then the percentage of pass mark is sa penaju candidate who gets 20% marks fails by 30 marks. So sa penaju first student fail ay formula to pass mark equal to marks scored plus marks required. Shortest is pass mark ke hello. Okay, let's call it pass mark. Marks scored to 20%. The percentage are 20%. Actual value into full mark plus marks required to 30 marks. So this is the first equation. Okay, abanaju another candidate who gets 32% get 42 marks more than the pass mark. Okay, a pass time ahi. A pass le formula dungzo ya pass mark equal to marks scored minus excess marks. Pass mark to ki bangdi channel marks scored is at 32% into full mark minus excess is at 42. So equation ni ina ita uchala ichte ni akon nahi full mark hin hol da utena pass mark ai leki bangdi here. So this will be f by 5 dizing tangena cancel ka bola ile plus 30 equal to langka rajang cancel lawan 4 cancel leng 25 8f divided by 25 minus 42 ile langka installing 30 plus 42 si langka solving 8f by 25 minus f by 5. This will be 72. This will be 25. 8f minus 5f 3f. Cancel ka bola. This will be 2 1 2 24. So full mark will be 24 into 25 600. Question hold into 2 percentage of pass mark. Okay, pass mark hold the line. So pass mark equal to 2 by 10 into full mark, which is 600 plus 30. I cancel ka bola like this. Cancel ka bola 120 plus 30 equal to 150. Question a percentage hold in it 150 divided by full mark into 100%. Cancel ka bola like this will be 4. So 25% is the pass mark. Kaile aban chalute. Number of failed and pass students problems. Pass and fail problem. Illustration. example khat na be huite exam of two subjects example history and geography exam au me later bang problem ma common word hung ke jang di chu fail in history fail in geography hung ke di na hilaya I he deu chu fail in history ke ti to fail only in history ke ti ke banglo pi they are different things ahile fail in geography ke ti to fail only in geography ke ti jang he they are completely different things ahile fail in both history and geography ti ahile chun it is very clear geography and history ani ni a fail hoti nizing ahile fail in history or geography ahin ti ahile chun history a fail or geography a fail ti na but a meaning to student a fail cct na ai now question chun find the number of students who failed ahin ti mai thei or find the number of students who fail in history or geography ahin ti mai thei ania ki bang abana student who pass in the exam jong ke dong thei students who fail in the exam ke ti chu kasai banga chu fail in history or fail in geography or ke ti pai na ake bang bang hi abana chu pass in at least one subject jong ke ti thei okay example ane ve hite class ka dahin student leo me a b C and D history and geography are exam bolowe A ki tipahi ania pass in B ki tipahi pass but fail in geography C ki tipahi fail but pass in geography D ki tipahi ania fail ahile A ki tipahi a pass in subject khara fail jang fail subject khara fail long fail subject nia fail long fail na ahile to ahin total number of students A B C D ama ho hi a pass loi aumin a pass to in this case a pass lo si chi chu a fail ove na a fail ho hi B C D B ke ti chu fail only in geography na only in geography C ke ti chala fail only in history only history a fail D ke ti chu fail in both geography and history ahila Ilaya the problem is question in only history only geography ti information provide hin bolzi lo cha question information ipiti provide hin bolzi am ti le fail in history fail in geography ti information provide hin bolzi cha ji a chu hi classification hi ki jang thei zi lo na in this problem fail ki ti le B C D a fail tawe le question chun fail in history ahin ti tai fail in history ho chu H a hi ga tiute fail in history koi a hi dem history a fail to C on fail D on fail C chu koi ha fail only in history D ke ti chu koi ha both na aile to a chu fail in geography a fail chu koi ha geography a fail chu B to D B ke ti chu only geography a fail history a pass D ke ti chu koi ha D ke ti chu ani ni a fail na so history a fail plus geography a fail hi direct in plus bole chun C plus D plus B plus D D ni ve repeat chi ji cho na a fail chu koi ha B to C to D bo se cho D hi ni ve fail thelo pia na khat ve fail zeng na so question hin number of fail students ahin ti phat le direct ga history a fail geography a fail ti ha le chen D hi access umji cha chi a chu mainas ke bolji D hi koi ha both history and geography a fail pa hi mainas ke bolji cha meaning chu piham ti le question hin number of students fail in history ahin provide is for example 20 fail in geography provide him bowling for example 10 Bana fail in both history and geography. For example, 5 a hinti di chu. Question hold in di chu. Number of students who fail hold in hinti di. Ale direct a history a fail to geography a fail cc chu plus na bola 30 a hinti ale answer is wrong. Ipiti ke bol ham tile history a fail, geography a fail minus anini a fail ho chu. So 30 minus 5, in this case the correct answer will be 25. Ahile hitabang problem hi ipiti classifiable diu ham tia ahile class ahilawa ahile total number of students to ama sa penain category nia hom kanute a pass loy a pass low cc fail a fail ho jong hi category thuma hom kanute history a fail, fail in history, fail in geography, abana to fail in both history and geography. Ahile total number of students who fail iti ahile a fail cc to history plus geography minus fail in both iti ahi minus ake bol ji e si hai mil paute. Apana chu pass in at least one subject. Question chun pass in at least one subject at tia hele problem classify bolu dan hi pass in at least one subject. Pass in at least one subject lo cc chu koi ho ham tia hele fail in both ho cc jing. So a question dung zu ya hi problem ita classify ibol diu hai na. First type, second type. In this case, number of students who fail in history, number of students who fail in geography, number of students who fail in both kya information hong kipi. In this case, information hong kipi jo pass in at least one subject kiti ho hong kipi na. Ahile hilaya hi ihet diu khat kit chu very important. Hita bang problem hi a fail la calculate ki bol ji chu. Question hin number of students who pass a hinti may thay, but we have to find the number of students who failed. Calculation ni number of students who fail akon ake bol ji e. Kaila problem na solve ite. In an examination, 52% failed in Hindi and 42% in English. If 17% fail in both the subjects, what percentage of students pass in both the subjects? Total number of students, so in this case, we can take it as 100. A pass CC ke hello, a fail CC ke hello. Hindi a fail loy, English a fail loy, anini a fail loy. Hindi a fail ho cho 52. English a fail ho cho 42. Anini a fail ho cho 17. Ahile what percent of students pass at pass ano ngai put in fail hold up hadute na. Number 1. A fail CC hi means at hide 52 plus 42 minus 17. So 52 42, this is 94 minus 17. So this will be 7 and this will be 77. So me zakat la achu 77 fail ahi ahile chun a pass a 23. 23 out of 100 pass, meaning pass percentage is 23%. Hita bang problem hi Venn diagram ne het ahile Venn diagram azang ake solve ji. In an examination, 73% of the candidates pass in quantitative aptitude. Pass at the end, pass ahile fail a converting. 70% pass in general awareness and 64% pass in both. If 6,300 fail in both subjects, total number of examinees were. Okay. Total a pass loy, a fail loy. Okay. To ahi question nung zo ya chu 64% pass in both a teacher. Pass in both ki teacher a pass ho CCT na chana 64%. In this case we cannot take 100 na as it ilaya in definite value khat om tai. Ahile तो आही fail CC zat he de, it will be 36%. Ahile a fail CC hi category thumi zilawang na quantitative aptitude of fail, general awareness of fail, anini a fail. Question nung zo ya chu 73 pass in quantitative aptitude ahile a fail CC chu 27%. Chita banga chu general awareness a 70% a pass le a fail CC chu 30%. Anini a fail I het la uchaw na. Ahile I formula dung zo wa chu 36 equal to 27 plus 30 minus ti chu x ay ga tiute minus x. Ahile x lang kara ka sola ahile this will be 757 minus 36 equal to 21%. Ahile number of students a fail CC 21%. 21% of the students fail in exam na. Ahile tu ahi question nung zo ya chu a fail CC chu izat he tiwa 6300 chu. Ai ho hin a fail chu 21% he tiu chu na actual number hile into total la multiply ke bol ji hilabo total he ta power n he tiute. So in this case it will be equal to 6300 na. Hiche ho in percentage sa convert imu wa hile fail in both ho hizat question nung zo ya fail in both hizat na stay ni chu ke bangding abala tu ahi 7 a cancel bowling, this will be 900, this will be 3 cancel ka ball be ahile this will be 300. So total number of students will be 31 to 3. 30,000 is the total number of examinees. In an examination, 60% of the candidates passed in English and 70% of the candidates passed in mathematics, but 20% failed in both of these subjects. If 2,500 candidates passed in both the subjects, the number of candidates that appeared at the exam was. A classification ki bang na lai. In this case, a pass loy, a fail loy. A fail ho CC chu category thum English, mathematics, English and maths. 60% of the candidates pass in English a fail CC chu 40%. 70% of the candidate pass in mathematics, meaning a fail ho CC chu 30%. Ahile English and maths a anni ni a fail ho chu question nung zo ya 20%. Ahile a fail CC is at hide 40 plus 30 minus 20. 70 minus 20 will be 50%. 50% is a fail ta che. Ahile a pass at ang 50% pass che. Question ipin sayam. If 2,500 candidates pass in both the subjects. Okay. A pass is chu ai ho in 50% tiu chu na. Actual value chu 50% into total. Total chu het lo ji when n he ga tiu te. Question lung zo ya chu a pass is chu 2,500 na. A 50% tiu question in 2,580. So total number of students will be 5,000. So it's a figure draw ka ball, it's a classification ka ball dung zo hin ball chen na. It is not difficult. Venn diagram ni het ai jang le you can use Venn diagram. Venn diagram mi especially subject to mongi phat le na. Neu khat a level ang asangin chu phat le chen a ki jan je. In a class, 60% of the students pass in Hindi and 45% pass in Sanskrit. If 25% of them pass in at least one subject, what percentage of the students fail in both? Pass in at least one subject. Total number of students to pass in at least one subject hintin. Pass at least one subject. Adang CC to fail in both itiyo na. Question nung zo ya chu 25% pass in at least one subject atile fail in both chu 75% is jing chana. It's information hi, it is additional information. It is unrequired in this case na. Me so confused na ding ahong je koizan may thay. So answer is 75%. Problem number 3, income, expenditure and savings. ai le ita bang problem mahi income kiti chu it is expenditure plus savings ising lawang na. Out of her total income, Nilam spends 20% on house rent and 70% of the rest on household expenditures. If she saves rupees 3,600, what is her total income? Okay, hi Japan hi ahile hilaya kahin koi hil zebin. It's hi video number 4 group subgroup parts iti problem chu hi na. Group subgroup parts kiti problem chu hi video number 4 izong le ga solve hote total income chu question dung zo ya chu 20% on house rent chu 20% and 70% of the rest ati chu ahile adang cc chu the rest ati na hi chu this is 80% the rest cc hi question dung zo ya chu 70% chu household expenditure 70%. If she saves, amo chang to saving tinizing chana. This will be savings. Savings kiti to 30% aki save dota chinuhin. So actual value to 30% into 80% into total, which we don't know x. Question dung zo ya chu saving chu zatia 3,600. Eho in 30% itu question in 3,600 atina. Stay ni ki bang di hilawang. So 3,600 equal to this. Cancel the bola, this will be 12. Cancel the bola, okay. This will be 4, this will be 5. Cancel the bola, 3. So 300 into 50 equal to x. 15, 1, 2, 3 equal to x. Okay, 15. Monica spends 72% of her income. If our income increases by 20% and savings increases by 15%, then her expenditure increases by. Okay. Ito bang problem mahi 3 quantities ama sa pena to expenditure, bana to income, bana to savings. Quantities to mo itin zizute. Income, expenditure, savings. Definite quantity umlaw chuzi chun abulahi income jo 100 hetiute expenditure jo question dung zo ya jo 72% of her income, which is 100. 72% of 100 to 72 al izat aga save do 100 la 72 azat do le remaining to saving is chuna 28. Question dung zo ya jo income increased by 20%, saving increased by 15%. Question hold into then her expenditure increased by expenditure to ihe tala uchana izat person na increase ai so chi method niya kan solve de hoi chin na sa jaw. Number 1, new income 20% increase ai new income will be 120% of all income. 120% of 100, which is 120. So this we don't know, keep it like this. This is 15% increase, meaning the new savings will be 115%. 115% kiti chu 115 divided by 100. Cancel ka bolle, I will get 25 divided by 20 into 28. Cancel ka bolle 14, cancel ka bolle 10. So in this case 23 14 kiti chu 12 point in hand 8 9 23. So this will be 2 2 3. So savings to 32.2. New income to 120, savings to 32.2 ahile expenditure is at hide. Expenditure ihet no mahile income to saving to mainasable expenditure hung po jing di chana. So this will be 0.8. This will be 9, this will be 7, this will be 8. 1. 11 minus 3 will be 8. So this will be okay. Increase in expenditure, increase percentage halda di tichna abulahi 72 abanahi 87.8. This is the old and this is the new. Increase percentage halda ding zada increase 87.8 minus 72.085 15.8. 15.8 ahi increase a percentage holo ding le 15.8 divided by 72 into 100% ichi holo di chona ahi le. So this will be multiplicable le 1580 divided by 72%. Cancel 11, we will get 790 divided by 36. This will be 395 divided by 18. You cancel thầy cho lâu. 395 divided by 18 ở here. This will be 236 35. 2 thing đi chất na. So it is approximately equal to 22%. 21.9 here ngin te na. 2 kala thầy lâu ra cho 1 ở here 18. So this will be 7. This will be 1.09 72 7 in hand 9 16. So the answer is 21.9. This is the first method, process to solve ahi vanga calculation ni nobject. Second method kahin bolde hi process very short but calculation very big number ana deote. Quantities to mo to the in lang income, expenditure, savings. Income 182, question nung zo expenditure 72, savings 28. Ahila question nung zo ya to increase by 20%, increase by we don't know X percent, increase by 15%. Ahila new, it will become 120. X percent increase ahila it will be 100 plus X percent. 100 plus X percent kiti cho 100 plus X percent into 72. This will be 115%, which will be 23 divided by 20 into 28. Laya hi X value no hold like sizing na increase percent ati hilaw. So if formula dung zoi wa income equal to expenditure plus savings ati na. So number alin thayin e wanga hi process chom laya hi X value no hold le answer na musing gina. Sudha saves 15% of her income if her expenditure increases by 20% and saving increases by 60%. Then by what percent has her income increased? So zong hi income, expenditure, savings. Quantity hoy tin ji do zeutin question nung zo ya chu 15% of our income. Okay. Income 100 hi le, saving chu 15, expenditure chu 85. Question nung zo ya chu expenditure increased by 20%. Bana chu saving increased by 60%. Then by what percent has our income increased? Income increase we don't know X percent itaute. So new X percent increase ay highlighted like 100 it will be simply 100 plus X is na. Actually it will be 100 plus X percent of all value 100 na percentage jika dahil 100 plus X is na. So this will be 120% of all value. Cancel ka bole 6, cancel ka bole 5, cancel ka bole 17. This will be 42, 4 in hand, 102. 60% hi ahile 160% into 15. Cancel ka bole 3, cancel ka bole 2, 8. So the answer is 24. The formula dung zoi wachu income equal to expenditure plus savings 126. X equal to langkara ka sole 26%. So a process chom chuna it's a problem bang very calculative. A, B and C spends 80%, 85% and 75% of their incomes respectively. If their savings are in the ratio 8:9:12 and the difference between the incomes of A and C is rupees 18,000, then the income of B is, okay, income, expenditure, savings. Ahile ilayahi mi thom A, B and C. A income ki hello, B income ki hello, C income ki hello. Chisi ahi tu hin method niya kan solving method number 1. Income of A hi ihet lo zi win x kela 100 A he ti ute x ti sangen. Chita banga chen calculation anut mading ahi na. B azong chu 100 B he ti utin, C azong chu 100 C he ti ute. Ahile question dung zuya expenditure chu 80%. 80% ahile 80 A expenditure. Ama 85 ahile expenditure chu 85 A, 75 C. Ahile saving is at hede 20 A save ke boldo amahin 15 B save ke boldo amahin 25 C save ke boldo. Question dung zuya saving ratio chu 20 A ratio 15 B ratio 25 C ke teacher. Question chun 8:9:20 है teacher. Alaya hi abon chike ya है common 5 zakat ke bol thai 5 akat ke bol le 4 3 5. 4A ratio 3B ratio 5C equal to 8:9:20. Le tu ai chi ratio problem next chapter ai bol de na detail abon a cover I bol so ke de chi introduction dan ne gel jing win lang A ratio B ratio C whole dot ding 4 to 3 to 5 ilang kara transfer na bol ngai ta cha transfer na bol le 8 divided by 4 ga hintin 9 divided by 3 ga hintin 20 divided by 5 ga hibeta ele cancel the bola le 2 cancel the bola le 3 cancel the bola le 4 ahile to acha question and do chu difference between the income of A and C is rupees 1800 at the ahile to ahi A equal to 2k, B equal to 3k, C equal to 4k ta chana. Question dung zo ya difference between the incomes of A and C is rupees 18,000 atitai. Income of A to income of C chu C atam zo chana. So income of C minus income of A chu question dung zo ya 18,000. Income of C chu 100C minus income of A chu 100 small a equal to 18123. Let's see 100 common kala dole small c minus small a equal to 180. Let watch C to 4k, A to 2k. I let 2k equal to 180, k equal to 90. Question chun income of B, big B to 100 small b, 100 into B to 3k, k to 90. So this will be 27,000. This is the answer. Second method. A, B, C. Income, expenditure, savings. Income of A ihet lau zi utun small a tiutin, income of B small b tiutin, income of C small c. Expenditure to 80% aki spend do 85%, 75%. A percentage saka say na actual value hinay lau. The saving to that hide 20%, 15%, 25%. Al actual value to of income. Question nung zo ya amaho ratio to 20 by 100 A ratio 15 by 100 B ratio 25 by 100 C to 8:9:20. Si abona kat hai. Kat ka bola le 4, kat ka bola le 3, kat ka bola le 5. 4A ratio 3B ratio 5C equal to 8:9:20. So A ratio B ratio C to 8/4, 9/3, 20/5. Cut ka bole 2, 3, 4. Ala question nung zo ya chu A minus C ati chu. A minus C chu izat hide question nung zo ya chu 18,000. Ala A minus C izat de A chu 2, okay. C tam zo tai na. C minus A zo. This is 2, this is 4. That means 2 out of 2 plus 3, 5, 9. 2 out of 9. 2 out of 9 into total to 18,000. Cancel ka bole 9. I let total ke teacher 81,000. Question hold in teacher B a hold in. B a to 3 out of 9 into 81,000. Cancel ka bole 9. So the answer is 27,000. It's a nom zale kilamina. It's yazang to 2 out of 9 to 18,000 iti uta chana. I le 1 to is at hede 18,000 into 9 divided by 2. Hello, question hold the integer 3 out of 9. So 3 out of 9 into 18,000 into 9 divided by 2. So 9 to 9 cancel, this to this cancel. So 27,000. Ityazang bol thay hai na. It's a unitary method. Unitary method is time and work chapter introduction detail ta ina bol here. The income of A is 60% less than that of B, and the expenditure of A is equal to 60% of B's expenditure. If A's income is equal to 70% of B's expenditure, then what is the ratio of the savings of A and B? Income expenditure saving problem in income expenditure savings in table draw in A and B ome. Income of A is 60% less than that of B. Aile income of B to 100 kati ahile income of A to 60% less ahize acho it will become 40% nale. Ahile the expenditure of A is equal to 60% of B's expenditure. Okay, B's expenditure we don't know, so let's call it 100. Ahile to acho expenditure of A is at equal to 60% of 100 it will 60% of 100 so it becomes 60. Saving is at so in this case 40 100 60 100 kala 40 minus 60 minus 20 pot kila thailo chna. So it in bolute B are to 100x ahile A azang 40x zing chna. Expenditure of B to 100y bangle, expenditure of A to 60y zing chna. To xy value hold out ding. Saving is at 40x minus 60y tinai zing chna. Is at 100x minus 100y tinai zing chna. Question chun ipitia A's income to 40x ativ chna. Question chun is equal to 70% of B's expenditure. 70% of B's expenditure to 100y. Cancel ka ball ahile x divided by y to 7/4. So ratio hins x equal to 7k, y equal to 4k tetaute. So in this case 40 into is that 40 into x kela to 7k. 40 into 7k ahile 280k. Minus 60 into 4k 240k equal to that this will be 40k. And let's do 100 common kala dole x minus y meaning 7k minus 4k. This will be 3k. So the answer is 300k. Question hold the integer savings of A ratio savings of B. Aho in 40k ratio 300k tiêu chna k okay k to k cancel ka bola ile 4:30 equal to 2:15. So the answer is 2:15. Khaile aban chalute. Topic number 4, miscellaneous problems. Tichu topic common be se lo ka la question khat hung ho ga beute. A man's annual income has increased by 1.2 lakhs, but the tax on income that he has to pay has reduced from 12% to 10%. He now pays the same amount of tax as before. What is his increased income? Income aumen, tax aumen. Okay, income, tax. Abula chu a income ki hello x. Abula tax api za chu 12%. A percentage a 12%. Actual value a into income. Tax to income a calculate ki bol ji chana. Question nung zo ya chu increase by 1.2 lakhs ati. Abana chu new income is at hide x plus 1.2. Question nung zo ya chu tax to it becomes 10%. 10% chu pia calculate ki bol ji a income a calculate ki bol ji chana. So this will be x plus 1.2. Question nung zo ya chu tax te ni chu api za ke bangai ti chana, meaning 12 by 100 into x. This is the old tax equal to the new tax. New tax to 1 by 10 into x plus 1.2. Cancel the bullet this 12x 12 by 10 12x equal lang khara ka sole 10x plus 12 na 10 into x 10 into 1.2 lang khara ka sole 2x 12 x equal to 6. A student has multiplied a number by 3 by 5 instead of 5 by 3. What is the percentage error in the calculation? Number to ihet la ucho na x ong igati thayo, but in this case there is no definite value. Chuzi achu ipi bolu ham tile number to x kela 5 inong cancel thay 3 inong cancel thay 15 la jingote na. The number is 15. Okay, the number is 15. Aile question nung zo ya by mistake 15 kiti pa hi 3 by 5 ha multiplier ga bola hi le he gets 9 amu cho hi wanga cha di ta chu correct amahin 15 kiti chu 5 by 3 a multiplier bol di do also cancel le bola le 25 amu di chu 9 amu tai aile la ya hi error is at numam ichan gi di lo ham ti le 25 moding 9 agamu aile 16 difference na error margin to 16 ta so question the percentage hold the integer percentage hold the aile error kiti chu correct value to divide ki bol ji chu 25 into 100% cancel ka bolale 4, so this will be 64%. 1999 a question na hin a ping nai lo jang no mai the we na ban chalu te. A, B, and C donate 8%, 7%, and 9% of their salaries respectively to a charitable trust. Donation, one quantity. Of their salaries, two quantities. The salaries of A and B are the same, and the difference between their donation is this. Total donation of A and B is 1185 more than that of C. Total donation of A and C is what percent of total salaries of A, B, C? Okay, total donation of A and C, this is one number, is what percent of total number of A, B, C? This is another number. So chi hold audio what percentage of it formula is applicable na. So in this case there are two quantities, salary and donation. salary donation. A, B and C. A to B a salary hon ki bang XX. C a chu Y a hi tiute. Donation chu chipahin 8% donate abol, chipahin 7% donate abol, chipahin 9% donate abol. Question dung zo ya chu. The difference between the donation of A and B is 259. Ahile khatpahin 8% of X, khatpahin 7% of X. Ahile difference is at hide 1% of X. Iti chu question dung zo ya chu 259. 1% kiti chu 1 by 100. So X equal to 25900. Salary ke hata twai Y hold do ding. Y hold do na ding chu question hin. Total donation of A and B is 1185 more than that of C at the end. Total donation of A and B minus C chu 1185 at the end. A and B chun is that donate a bola 8 plus 7 15%. 15% of X donate a ball. So X is that itiwa 25900 minus C. C hin 9% of that donate a bola. Y donate a ball. So question nung zo ya equal to 1185. Number hi alin na calculate pa isang umbe se pon. So cancel bola let this. Ay lang kara so hen 15 into 259 minus 1185 equal to 9y divided by 100. See 9 dividable thaylo. Okay, 3 1 plus 2 10 15 3 in dividable thing, so this will be 5 into 259 minus 3 are 2 3 3 are 9 ahile 28 9 ahile 27 5 equal to 9y divided by 100. Cancel ka bola ile I get 3y divided by 100 na. Ahile to ahi multiply taute 259 into 5 45 4 in hand 25 29 2 in hand 10 12 minus 395 0 0, this will be 9. So we get 900 equal to 3y divided by 1000. Cancel ka bola le 3. So y equal to 30123. So y value ang keta. Question in whole integer total donation of A and C at inalay na. Donation of A and C. A chun is that donate a bola 8% of 25900 plus C chun is that donate a bola 9% of 30,000. Cancel the bola like this will be 72 7 in hand 40 47 4 in hand 16 20 plus this will be 2700 2774. So this is nothing but 4772. Abana chu total salaries of A, B and C. Salary A, B, C. A achu 25900, B achu 25900, C achu 30,000. 0 0 8 1 in hand 10 11 1 in hand 4 7 8. Question in whole the integer 4772 is what percent of 81800? So 4772 81800 question hichi chito comparable what percent of a teacher na. So required percentage will be 4772 divided by 81800 into 100%. Cancel ibola let this. Now question chun approximate value. Okay, correct to one decimal place haldo ding ai le tu a hi 4772 kiti hi 818 a divide na bol ding 818 in 4 chi divide a bol thelo cho na so 8 in 47 divide a bol di cho so 8 are sorry 8 5 are 40 8 6 are 48 48 ai le answer chu 6 loading 5 a ki pan di cho 5 a ki pani khat po se chana so this will be the correct option. Okay, we have come to the end of chapter 1. Chapter review anabolo hite. SSC syllabus ibet ahile percentage kiti hi one of the many topics may chona detail dang apitapoy. Ahile percentage topic ading ay ipiti prepare na bol di ham. Iti ahile chen percentage topic sunga hi question ipp hong gidang thayam problems type ipp umam ti het ngai chana problem solve take you sa ilawin problem type zang het ngai 2010 apat 2019 chen sunga cz la hong gidang topic cc hi video 1 to 6 a cover in a bol tawve topic ho hi number 1 simplification ichi video number 1 a bolovin topic number 2 comparing two similar quantities tizang hi what percent of ahilawle more than percentage less than percentage also in video number 2 increase or decrease percentage kiti hi video number 3 chizong hi two categories single increase ahilawaila successive increase or decrease abana chu group and parts problem type 4 hi group and parts chizong hi group and parts aumin group subgroup and parts aume ahile 1 2 3 4 hi cheng topic li hi they are basics of percentage ahilawa hile foundation of percentage iti diu hamna adang ho cc ahile ichi ho a property formula ho ki zanga what problem ki solve he na unit price problems su video number 5 a evolving adang cc video number 6 a cover in evolve na so problem ho hi solve ibol theme na dinga hi problem types ipi umam ti het angai azi chu problem types tungzu ya hi same method of solution ahi na so question kha chu namu a hi le okay hi chi problem hi hi tabang problem hi in hi ti ai ke solve hi ti chu nalung thama na het chat ngai cho na chi zi a chen problem type zang hi het in apoi mo e Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new.